My town. I live in a small town by the river. It's a quiet place where everyone knows each other. My town has only a few streets, but it is full of charm. I like to walk along the riverbank in the morning. The water is calm and there are ducks swimming in it. In the center of the town there is a small park with trees and benches. It is a favorite meeting place for locals. You can play ball there or have a picnic. Our stores are small, but we have everything that we need. We can buy fresh vegetables and fruits from local farmers. The bakery has delicious bread and my favorite croissants with cream. I often visit the local cafe, where I like to drink hot chocolate and eat waffles. The employees know my name and are always smiling. There is a small library next door where you can borrow books or read in peace on the premises. People sometimes have art contests there, where they paint and draw. Our small playground is a favorite place for children. They play together on swings and slides. In summer, concerts are organized in the park. The whole town gathers on the grass, listening to music and dancing. I'm also happy that our town has bike paths. I often bike to school and enjoy the beauty of nature. I like my school because I have many friends there. I also have a great teacher who helps me learn interesting things. After school I like to help my mother in the garden. The flowers are so colorful and sweet-smelling. In winter, when it snows, the children slide down a small hill on a sled. The whole town seems white and calm. In the evening, small lanterns are lit and it is magical. Our streets are quiet and safe. People always greet each other on the street and neighbors help each other. Living in this small town, I feel like part of the community. It's a place where I can relax and enjoy simple pleasures.